I'm Reza, and I'm Director of Technology in our company, Userful. It's really different right now from where we were like 6 years ago that we developed all this technology for our company. It's amazing that how we moved from that type of server that could only control 6 displays to hundreds of displays with any type of source. We can put it in cloud, we can have the server in the place and bring all these visual networking platform together. We've developed our technology in a way that we can harness the full potential of a GPU, and we can have a huge throughput of visual content into the network by harnessing that power. Normally the solutions, there would be a hardware that is dedicated to transcode your visual content, and it's very limited. It accepts limited amount of sources, while in our solution we can almost support any type of source, and you can just use any standard server with a GPU. This means that you don't need to upgrade your hardware when we have new features, and you will get all those new type of support from us by the updates that we make. First start of this thing for me was when we just started to use GPUs instead of make our software CPU based. That was a huge change in our company. Then right now we have moved from, like, industry is still at the level that they have those specialized boxes. Then we moved into a software base which is running from a server and is pushing all these visual contents into your network. Now we've tapped into system of a chip, like those chips that are inside your display. It gives a lot of flexibility compared to even our previous approach, which is still ahead of competitors. So this new approach uses those chips, which makes us to be able to do distributed computing or push the content from the cloud to another location. That's a big achievement for us. So recently we've moved from using zero client-based solutions to ARM chip-based solutions that can be WebOS, Tizen, or Android, right? That's a huge leap for us. Those zero clients are actually ASIC chips which should be inside your local network, and your server is creating JPEGs and pushing them into network. What happens is that those zero clients should just display it as fast as possible. Right now we've moved into another approach, which instead of JPEGs, actually we're just encoding things into H.264, H.265, creating RTSP streams, creating a network time protocol that is time stamping all of the buffers in order to make sure they're getting displayed right on time. So what is happening here is that suddenly our network usage will drop to 1/10 of what it was. That enables us to cast things from the cloud server into your location below 30 milliseconds in real time. There are many innovations that made Userful different in terms of how you can access and control your system. It's through the web. You can do it anywhere from your phone, from your PC, over the internet, or your local network, which make it really easy to manage it. Also, how you're going to deploy it, it's really robust. It can be just cloud-based that can forward and store your content into devices in order to your visual content to be played back, or it just can run in real time from a server in your location.